welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, then welcome to you guys too.
If you are new, wait, what? I was just like, babes, chill, like chill.
Hey, I came myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to you guys too. If you are not new here, so if you're someone that watches my videos weekly, then I am sorry guys, I have not uploaded for a couple, maybe like this is going on my third week I think. Most of you guys are used to my weekly video, but to be fair, I did actually film a haul like a week or so ago, maybe like just coming on 2 weeks now. I wasn't happy with the content, so I didn't put it out there. I didn't really want to redo it over again because I've experienced that before and it's just not as natural, so I just left that. So I was just like, okay, cool, that's it. So just to catch you guys up on what I've been up to in the last few weeks since I haven't been posting. So basically I took a 2-week social media break. I think it was needed. I haven't even done that before in my life, so it was just like, yeah, I wanted to catch you guys up on what's been going on and what I've been up to. And whilst I'm doing that, I'm gonna do my skincare with you guys because I've actually just got back from work, so it is that time. It is 5:35 p.m. As you can tell, my face and my makeup's ready to come off. And to be fair, I don't really put on makeup when I go to work. I literally just do my eye makeup and my eyebrows. I put a little bit of powder on my face, but that is it because my job I have to wear a mask 24/7. So there's just no point putting on makeup all over my face, which is also really helpful because since putting on masks all the time, like within the last year, my skin has not been the same, guys. We're trying to fix that. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing that. So yeah, let me just explain to you guys. Basically, I took a 2-week break, so I'm just gonna use my micellar water. This bad boy. This, I don't use anything special. I just use this micellar water to remove my makeup and my pads. Yeah, so I took a 2-week break, which was super refreshing. I didn't plan it, guys. I did not plan it, but I think I just needed to take a break. I've never actually taken a social media break before in my life, so it was actually quite refreshing. Since I stopped doing all of that, I've also returned to work. So last Monday I returned to work, and guys, it has been a busy mother. Oh, I'm not even gonna go there, but it's been a really hectic week, especially considering I haven't been at work or in a proper routine since the beginning of December. So now I'm just like, whew, honey child, like you got tired. Like I literally did not even have to put myself into a new routine. My body did it for me because I've been tired at 10 p.m. I do actually have to wake up at 6 a.m. So naturally my body just gets tired at 10 and I'm gone by like 10:30 the very latest. I've basically just made it sound like I've just been sleeping, you know, I've just been working and sleeping. And also like I've just been going to a few doctor's appointments, nothing to worry about, thank God. But at first I was concerned. And guys, if you're concerned about anything, take yourself to the doctors. And that is a note from me to you. Make sure you please go and get checked on, because even if you're questioning it, like there's no harm in going and checking whether it's pandemic or not. Your health is more important than anything, guys. I feel like that is actually it. I've just been chilling and like mentally preparing myself for a work routine. Yeah, but overall I am actually really happy to be back at work and being in a routine. It's just refreshing and it occupies my time. So I always make sure I do my cleansing part of the routine sooner rather than later. And at this stage I use my Fenty Skin. This one, look how old this is, guys. I got this when it first came out last August, and guys, like I'm still going, what's that, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, 7 months later. That is simply because I really don't use that much. I use a dot here. I mean, you guys will see when I start doing it. a dot here, a dot here, and a dot here, and it's enough to lather it up with some water and spread all over my face. And then I use this bad boy, which is just my Soap and Glory sponge bristle thing. You can see it has like two textures to it, but I mainly use this one. It's a bit more effective. This one is a bit weak, I'm not gonna lie, you're a bit weak, that side's a bit weak. So I use this side, and we are gonna go do my skincare right now. So let's go. So I'm just gonna wet my face so then the Fenty Skin can lather up. Now I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm literally just gonna exfoliate. It's basically exfoliate my entire face, but gently. Like sometimes I don't even realize how hard I'm doing this until I stop, and then I'm just like, honey, like what are you trying to do? Peel like a snake or what? I probably do it for about 30 seconds realistically. Like it feels like it's a couple minutes, but it is literally like not long. And now I'll just take a face cloth and rinse off the cleanser off my face. What? Honey. Yes. I'm not gonna lie, I've been quite fortunate with my skin. I've got really good skin in general. At the moment it's not 100%, it's like 70%. But in general, I've always had really good skin. So for most of the time, I've just been like, I'll do skincare, but not like to the absolute most. Now, like the last few years, skincare, 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 pause, skincare, 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 pause. So before I get back into what I've been doing the last 2 weeks, I'll just show you guys my next step, which is using this A313 pomade style cream. Apparently it's really good for like not removing, but helping settle your blemishes and scars and all of that business. Apparently it's like a really good pharmaceutical product in France. I basically just got this from Amazon, and I'm not gonna lie, I did have some, you can still see the marks here on my chin, but they have definitely 100% gone down. So I don't know, I've just been continuing to use it mainly here, and I'll worry about these. I don't know, I usually get the odd spot, and they do tend to scar, but they do also sort themselves out, so I don't really mess with them once they've been there, like from the spots. I just let them do its thing. But when it's like, this is from my mask, guys, like, so it's hardly preventable. Like I don't wear foundation anyway, I don't even own foundation, and that's not to say there's like any reason for it. I just go through phases of wearing it, and then I realize I don't actually need it, so I don't wear it and I get rid of it. I'm not gonna lie, guys, when I first started using this product, it okay, doing too much. It you could feel it doing its job. Like it didn't burn, but it was definitely evidently tingling. And sorry, something just come over my head. Like when I started using it, actually I woke up at night a couple times and removed it because it was irritating me that much. It was like, oh, I can't even explain. It wasn't quite like a sting, it was just like I just wanted to get it off. It was burning me. It was burning. It was burning. My skin got used to it, and it does actually say like it will do that. Obviously it's a pharmaceutical product, so you do have to be careful. So I would like sample it, like test it on a part of your skin somewhere. And guys, I got that from Amazon, the A313 pomade cream. So yes, that's that. And I always put that on first because then I go on to put in my ordinary products on, and I start off by using the caffeine solution. Obviously it goes under the eyes, apparently it prevents it. I don't know, I haven't really been seeing a change. If you guys know any other products that do help with your under eyes, let me know in the comment box down below. I would really appreciate it. For now, I'm just going to continue using this until somebody helps me out. I'm not desperate for it, but it would be nice to try a new product. other than this caffeine solution. Shall we go back to what I was talking about? So I will say, like, even taking a break has kind of put me out of the loop a bit, because it puts me behind on videos, and at the same time at the back of my head I'm thinking, oh no, I want and I need to get a video out. And yeah, it's not even just for myself but also for you guys, because obviously that's why you guys subscribe to me. Like, but also at the same time, because we're still in lockdown, guys, nowhere is open. And for people outside of the UK, I'm gonna explain to you how this is, yeah. Imagine, yeah, we're at the start of lockdown last year, and everything is closed, and you literally, all you've got to go to is your local shop. That's literally it in the UK right now, guys. And only until last week is when the schools opened again. So I'm longing for April 12th, which is, first of all, my mum and my auntie's birthday, twins. And also because April 12th, they opened like shops and restaurants, guys. Your girl likes to eat. You guys know that I like to eat and I like to go places to eat. So I am itching for that date to come, because open sesame, your girl's gonna be out. Just as much as you guys miss my vlogging here, vlogging there, traveling here, eating there, I miss it too. So hold on tight for those videos, guys. Anyway, so now I'm gonna use this retinol, yeah, by the Ordinary. You can see that is quite tired. I've had it for a while. It's coming to an oh my god, like it's literally coming to an end. And I love how it feels on my skin. You guys know about retinol, like it's amazing. And I feel like it works on my skin, so I'll just put like a little bit there. So I tend to put too much on here, like I get really happy about it. And then let's go on to talk about TikTok, because TikTok, yeah, you see TikTok, you guys who are also on TikTok know how random but effective that bloody app is. I love but hate TikTok, I'm not gonna lie. Every video you do, you just don't know if it's gonna blow up or if it's not. Like recently I had a video that randomly blew up for some reason, and I genuinely feel like it's because it had Molly May in it, and it was her Pretty Little Thing collection. Guys, I'm just dabbing this because that needs to soak into my skin. It gets overwhelming, especially if you're not used to it, guys. If you guys are on that same level as me and you know, like you're not used to that type of attention, please comment down below. Not necessarily because some people were being rude or like just not disrespectful even. No one was really being too rude, and also I can handle that. But it was just like, because it was like the first time a video had blown up to that extent, I was just like, babes, chill, like chill. Even the videos, a few videos after that still got like 20k, 30k, 10k, and I was just like, okay. And this is what I don't like about TikTok, because you could post after that, I've posted after that, and you get like 300 views. But I'm also like super grateful, because my followers went from 400 to 1,700, and let's have a look, because I don't want to even lie at this point. And also it'd be good to note this down. So currently, guys, it went from 400 and something to 1,886 subscribers, followers on TikTok. It's followers, which I'm actually so impressed with, and I'm so grateful for that. I've actually finished my skincare. But I'm gonna just sit down and talk to you guys before I go and shower. So guys, before I go, really quickly, I'm gonna mention when I get to 500 subscribers, which is very bloody soon, like I'm 6 people away. When I get to 500, I'm gonna give away all of these items, yeah? So one of you have the chance of winning all of these, but I'm not gonna start that giveaway until I get to 500 of you guys. And then I'll do another giveaway when I get to 1,000 of you guys. So we're gonna hit the 500 mark, and then we're gonna get to the 1,000 mark. And it's basically like just a thank you for you guys watching my videos and interacting with my videos, and just an appreciation of having you guys here, because I really do appreciate it. So I wanted to just share that love, and yeah, I just feel like it's a really cute giveaway that I wanted to do for you guys, and it has some cute items in it, so make sure you're subscribed to be in a chance of winning. And I think I'm done, because I really need to go shower, guys, because chatty patty over here won't even stop. I could literally just tally up things. I'm gonna end it there. If you want to subscribe, make sure you hit the subscription box down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
He like, you moving mad, what, you can't call me no more. You got an ex, man, playing my role.